It's that moment of truth. Will it start or won't it start? So, I did prime the fuel system. Got an electric fuel pump over here because I'm not going to try to pull gas out from the tank because it's had a little bit of water. I primed it to make sure that it wasn't going to dump a gallon of fuel down inside the carburetor. As you can see, I've got carburetor, spacer plate, stuff, because, well, I didn't have the correct bolts. That was a setup I had on it once before, so I put it back on it again. Now, let's see if this thing will start. I have high expectations. I need to do a little bit of tuning. But she started, she ran, and it sounds pretty decent. But I think the timing is still needs to be advanced here further. Let's see if I can reach it. Come on. Okay. Let's give that a quick try. See if it sounds any better. Open headers are a bit loud. I think I may have a plug wire crossed. That's what caused the backfire, and I can feel it not hitting quite right. But you can set them before you install them. And that goes to prove it. Okay. That's all there is to this video. There's my setup. Seems to work. I'll go back through and check them plug wires and figure out which ones crossed. And we will go from there. Now I just got to get an exhaust system on it to where it's not quite so loud. You can tell it does not have a radical cam in it, but it has a mild one. But hey, thanks for watching. Click like, share, subscribe, ring a bell, and maybe next time I'll have something you'll like. And remember, you can set the timing easy. I made no adjustments, no nothing. Just dropped it in, as you saw in the previous, not the very one before this, but the one before that. And the only thing I need to do is see just where I'm sitting at on timing. Because it started at 16. We'll see what it's actually sitting at later. Have a good day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Okay, found my problem. Very simple. Had 5 and 7 switched around. I don't have the pump hooked up it should still start. And my oil pressure is clear beyond the gauge. So I'm guessing I'm running 70, 80 pounds of oil pressure. Which, hey, I'm not going to complain about it. And as you heard, it sounds good.